How to divide a range of cells by a number in Excel. Hi Microsoft Office users. Sometimes, we may need to modify a range of cells in Excel quickly. For example, I have a range of cells which containing the prices of a group of products, and I want to divide all the prices by 15, and now here comes the question. How can I quickly divide a range of cells by a number? Select the range with numbers you want to divide by a certain number. And then click Kutools, go to More, then click Operation. In the Operation Tools dialog box, select Division in the Operation box, input the divisor number such as 12 in the Operand box. And you can see the results from the Preview Pane. And finally click the OK or Apply button. If you want to create formulas as well, please check Create Formulas option. If the selected cells include formulas, and you don't want to divide the calculated results of the formula, please check Skip Formula Cells option. That's it, you can see the result. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more update on Kutools video.